Hello, welcome once again to Custom Tool Venture. God bless you for all your time you spend in watching my video. Thanks so much to all my returning subscribers. And if today is your first time of watching my video, kudos to you. You are welcome. Okay, each time you watch my video, please keep sharing it, and then don't forget to subscribe and then put on the notification bell so that each time I upload new content you will be there to receive it. Thank you so much. Okay, today we'll be putting on this blouse with keyhole. The blouse with keyhole. I've already drawn my basic measurement there, the basic measurement, so that the work can be fast. It won't be too long. Yes, the armhole with the slant there, and then the neckline, simple round neck. Okay, the bust point on the bust, and then the half length, and then the waist length. So I will measure the darts measurement, the wideness of the darts, 1.5. So I will share 1.5 at both end, 0.75, 0.75. Okay, so the next thing, I connect it to the line at the on the bust. Okay, you can see I'm using this chalk. It can be dusted, so it won't stain my fabric. That's why I'm using it. It doesn't have any harm on it. Okay, so that's my dart there. Okay, and then the next thing, I'm going to input the body measurement. Remember to put that notch the dart area, so that when you are sewing it, you know where you are going to pick for. Okay, so the measurement of the bust, which is 50, so 50 divided by 4, I will have 12.5, and then add the sewing allowance to it too, maybe just an inch. Okay, to be on the safe side, I added extra, so that then on the bust is 42. 42 divided by 4, I have about 10.5. With the dart space there, which is 1, I add 1 to it, then 1 for sewing allowance, then it's connecting it. Then for the waist, I also have that 42. I think it's the same measurement there. Yes, then the space of the dart in this one is more than that of under bust, so that's about 1.5. Add it to it, and then sewing allowance. So I will just take it down there. It's the same measurement, but because of the dart there, I'm going to increase it and then connect it together, then take it to the under the armhole line. Okay, and then you remember is I'm going to put keyhole measurement there. So sorry, I'm going to put keyhole there, and then I will just come up about 2 inches from the bust, so that the bust is not exposed. Then about 3 inches, or you can make your half of your armhole, then connect it like a sweet net like. Okay, then between that one, you can make it as wide as you want. It depends, but I'm just using about, I think I'm using about 3, and then connect it to this place. Okay, then we'll cut that out. That will be the keyhole we are putting there. Then I'll be replacing that one with net. I'll be using this net to replace it. Okay, so I'm good to go. I've just cut the side first. The fabric, the net, I will double it so that it's not too transparent, and then so that can be durable too. So I can cut the side like this before cutting the back panel. If you have watched to this extent and you are yet to subscribe, please, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe, please. Let the ministry keep going, and then please click on the notification bell so that each time I upload new content, you'll be among the first special people that will receive it. Thanks so much. I appreciate you. So before I cut the keyhole from it, okay, I just place it on the back panel, and then I left the space for the zip. Left the space for the zip. That's the back. The depth of the back panel side doesn't have to be too deep. It depends on you. It depends on what you want to cut anyway. But I just like about 1.5, 2. Then I cut the side of the zip. Okay, the zip allowance I left is about an inch. I will use the lining to turn it. Okay, I will use the lining to turn it, so I don't really need much space for the zip allowance. Okay, so I can cut out the keyhole now. I can cut it out. Thanks so much. Please drop your comments. Watch and drop your comments if there's any improvements we have to put. If you are gaining. Okay, so I cut out the neck design, which is just round neck. Yes, I want to reduce it, just to reduce it so that it's not too close to the neck. Okay, and then that is the key for you there, but this one will be replaced with nets. So let me cut the net now. Going to be double. If you can make it 3 times, the best. It's the best anyhow. Okay, that's been cut. So let me get to the machine to input them, couple them together. And then when you are sewing, be careful. Okay, yeah, it has been fixed. I've coupled them together, fixed the net there. I'll put the darts. You can see how beautiful it's coming out now. Yes. Okay, and then I put a top stitch on that net so that it can be very firm. Okay, thanks so much. God bless.